I'm going to eat my breakfast, and we'll be back to talk about the pan. First thing I have to address is the blue bonnet. A while back I was doing a recipe that called for margarine, and I bought blue bonnet. Oh, it's really kind of nasty. I still have the melted blue bonnet. I tasted it, it's awful. One of the vintage ads said it was good for dipping and frying. That's why I did this today. That was almost a mistake. Not very slick, blue bonnet. Sadly, there was some tape here, and I pulled the tape off. It was clear, you couldn't see it, and it pulled off a little bit of the enamel. That really sucks. Fortunately, it's just on the handle. The interior of the pan is perfect. It's a beautiful little skillet, 8 inches. General Housewares Corporation, man, they got everybody. Magnolite, Wagner, Chicago Cutlery. Everything became a division of. It's kind of sad. There's a good chance this might have lead. I haven't checked it. I didn't want to check it. I may check it. I didn't want to know. Don't tell me there's lead in it. I might try to patch it with some blue enamel. It's not on the inside. Just to protect it, I might try it. I don't know. I haven't explored that yet. Another one bites the dust. Hey, thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.